Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and this big thing right here is 5 pounds of fun.
I teach online, and this was really an easy thing to get all the parents to purchase, and we can all use it at the same time. The kindergartners just love it. I can put the clay under my document camera and just show them everything that I'm doing. We've done quite a few clay projects. It is super easy to use your plastic clay tools to cut through. You can use stencils, you can roll it, you can shape it, you can pinch it, you name it. You can also draw on it with your clay tool to make really nice indentations. You can also stick objects in there.
If you are a teacher and you want something that's really easy to work with, something that maybe is easy for your students to purchase, or if you want to even purchase it for your in-person classroom, if you have children, if you just want to have a lot of fun with clay, and it lasts a long time, I would definitely recommend this product. Like I said, it lasts for such a long time. I have not had to replace this thing in a couple of months, and I've used it quite often. I've made so many fun things. My daughter has made things, my son has made things, I made things with my students, and I still have a lot left. So this really is 5 pounds of fun. I love this product, and that's my point of view.